Hey everybody, today's the big day announcing the JADAM book contest winners. Thank you to everybody who entered, and I was very excited to do this contest and get the word out more about this awesome natural farming method. So after I announce the winners, I'm just gonna give a couple minutes of tips for new people to JADAM. If you're one of the winners, or if you just recently got this book, or you still wanna buy this book, I'll give you a few tips on what you can do to get started more easily with this, as some of it may be a little bit overwhelming if it's your first time creating your own inputs. Okay guys, so here we go with the winners. I'm gonna show you drawing them. I'm not gonna show you the back end of the website because I don't want to reveal private information, but here you can see the winners of the contest, first name, last initial. So I will be emailing all of you with the email that you provided from my email address, steven@naturesalwaysright.com. Be sure to check your spam filter. Please get back to me as soon as possible so I can get these books out to everyone as soon as possible. I will be sending them through media mail, which can take up to a week or 2 weeks, I believe, something like that. Okay, so it's not gonna be Amazon Prime shipping. For the Spanish and Korean books, no one actually emailed me that they desired them. So what I'm gonna do now is, the first people to email me, Steven@naturesalwaysright, who want those 4 non-English books, I'm gonna give it to the first people to email me. So I look forward to your email. So now I'm gonna get into a few tips with JADAM, and if you still need to buy your books, I've got links down in the description where you can go buy it. If you buy through the link on Amazon, it is a way to support the channel a little bit at no cost to you. So I appreciate you for using my links. Everyone who's doing JADAM, you should have this book because this has everything in it, his whole system. And the biggest thing I can recommend to you when you're getting started in natural farming is to cut yourself some slack, definitely. You know, with all of gardening and farming, there's a lot of failures, but from those failures, you learn a ton. And when you're getting started, I recommend the first thing that you should try making is JMS, the JADAM microbial solution. The reason I suggest doing that first is because it's one of the most valuable things that you can make in JADAM, getting more microbes into your garden or farm. And also, it's extremely easy to make, and there's a very short window of time. So if you fail, you've only lost a day or 2 of your time. It's not a big deal. So definitely start with that. Now, getting into your pesticides and things like that, if I could make a recommendation, make a JHS, the JADAM herbal solution, from a plant or root that is widely available to you or very cheap. It's easy because you're just basically boiling it and extracting and using that water. Now, making the JWA, the JADAM wetting agent, may be a little bit more intimidating. You have to get potassium or sodium hydroxide. There's a chemical reaction that heats up. You need a way to stir it really quickly. So if you're you want to hold off on making that a little bit longer, I recommend just go out and buy some just regular Castile soap. I recommend Dr. Bronner's. It's a fantastic organically made soap that the final soap is very similar to JWA in the way that they make it. I recommend getting the Dr. Bronner that is just like the unscented, just straight up soap. I'll put a link in the description for that as well so that you can get started more quickly. Obviously though, you want to make your own JWA because you can make it extremely cheaply, and JWA can be used for hand soap, shampoo, laundry detergent, like a whole host of other things besides being a wetting agent for your applications here. So I hope those few tips were helpful. Thank you for being a part of my first ever giveaway contest. I hope to do more things like this in the future, maybe working with other companies to put out something for free for you guys. I'd like to be able to give back more to you. You've given so much to me, being able to have a channel like this and have this be my job now. I'd love to be able to give back more to you guys if I'm able to. So hopefully I can do something like this again in the future. All right, everybody, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos whenever you watch them. My next video is gonna be all about the garden bed creation. It's gonna be a very detailed video about creating raised beds, filling them up with good soil, and just an immense amount of detail and tips for you if you're new to doing raised bed gardening. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful weekend, and congratulations again to the winners. I'll be in your email box soon.